I thought they were very informative. It was the participants. It's really about the participants, and you had a good group of people that were willing to talk about the issues that they're facing, with people piping up and offering solutions or at least finding commonality about the problems that they face in a very complicated industry. So it was very nice to see really that all the people in and around the roundtables were all willing to speak about what they do and the issues and the solutions that they've come up with.
The roundtable that helped facilitate, people were very enthusiastic about talking about new technology, how new technology, artificial intelligence, combined blockchain, and how humans will evolve to work with that in that system. So there's a lot of excitement in this conference. Yeah.
Very interactive, very collaborative, and some really good information that we gleaned out of it. So things we can take back to our team as well as learning all the things that are going on in other areas and other industries as well.
And I do find the format very good, very intimate, and you do get a lot of exchanges, a lot of engagements, things that people might not necessarily open up to. And within the 5-10 minutes of that closed roundtable session, you do actually get a good engagement and exchange a lot of good ideas. So it's, I think, very useful for everybody at the table.
Super surprised for the right reason to find colleagues across the industry attended and having very intimate roundtable conversations, from clinical trial design to site selection to AI to supply chain. So it was very well-rounded, and I was very impressed by the discussions we had and the engagement of people attending the conference.
Yeah, so that was great. It was a nice cross-section of people from supply chain, from clinical operations, from systems or IT. So really nice perspectives that I think, there was some overlap, but some unique perspectives that came in and helped people in different areas think about things differently. And mine in particular was about enhancing efficiency and compliance in modern trials. And so it's really sort of in the early stages. We really only had one company that was a bit further along in their journey. Everyone else was a bit earlier in the journey. But it was really nice to have a company that was able to share some lessons learned, so it was even beneficial for us.
And it was, we basically have our marketing team, which basically connected with Proventa and come up with this association, and where we can meet few of the stakeholders from different pharma companies one-on-one. Also had a roundtable where we had showcased our AI capabilities around agentics and clinical operations, clinical supplies. So that was a great session, and that's how we definitely will collaborate more with Proventa.